Welcome back to our tutorial series on integrating React with Django. In this second part, we will dive into the exciting world of routing, allowing us to display multiple React pages within our Django project. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to set up React Router for client-side routing, configure Django URLs to work seamlessly with React routes, create multiple React components and navigate between them, handle errors for both Django and React routes. This integration will significantly enhance the user experience of your application, providing smooth single-page application like navigation, while maintaining the powerful backend capabilities of Django. Let's get started with setting up our routing system. Now let's configure our Django URLs to work seamlessly with React routes. We need to modify our urls.py file to handle any path and render our React page. This way we can manage routes on the React side and handle 404 pages there as well. Open your urls.py file and replace the existing React route with a catch-all pattern that will render the React page for any URL. Here's how it should look. The configuration does the following. The first pass includes a home page using Django views. The repass with regulator expression match any URL pattern. All matches URL will be handled by the views.react function, which should render your React application. With this setup, Django will pass all non-home page routes to React, allowing us to manage routing on the client side using React Router. This approach gives us the flexibility to create a single-page application experience while still leveraging Django backend capabilities. Now let's add a few more URLs to our header for the About and Contact pages. For now, this URL will open the same React page because we haven't set up routing in React yet. We'll do that in the next steps. Update your base.html file to include these new navigation links. With this setup, clicking on About or Contact links will still render our React application thanks to the catch-all pattern we set in our Django URLs. In the next section, we'll configure React Router to handle those routes on the client side and display different components for each page. Now that we have set up our Django URLs to handle React routes, the next step is configure routing on the React side. We'll use React Router DOM for this purpose. First, let's install it. Once installed, we need to set up our routes in app.js. We'll create components for the About and Contact pages and use React Router to handle navigation between them. Here's how you can structure your app.js. In this setup, we are using the browser router, elicit as a router, to wrap our application. The routes components ensure that only one route is rendered at a time. We have defined routes for the About page and Contact page. Additionally, we need to create a route to handle URLs that don't match any defined routes. This catch-all route should be replaced at the end of your switch component. It will render a not found component for any URL that doesn't match the previous routes, efficiently handling 404 errors on the client side. Next, create the corresponding components, notfound.js, about.js, and contact.js in your components folder. With this setup, React Router will handle the About and Contact URLs on the client side, rendering the appropriate components. This creates a seamless single-page application experience within a Django project. Now that we have our routing set up in both Django and React, time to check if everything works as expected. Open your browser and navigate to the home page. Then click on the links for About and Contact. You should see that respective components render for each URL. Try to enter in an invalid URL as well, and confirm the not found components appears, including the 404 page. All rows display the correct components. Congratulations! We have successfully integrated client-side routing with Django and React. This setup not only allows for dynamic page navigation, but also provides a smooth, single-page application-like experience for your users. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how to prepare Django and React app to the production. If you enjoy this content and want to learn more, we invite you to visit our website at django.and.dev. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. If you have any question or topics you'd like to cover in the future videos, please leave comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.